It's Little Cuz.
What's going on? It's Little Cuz. Where are we at today?
We are at Key Automotive for Dyno Day. And we're doing a little car show here. Bring what you got, you know, 3 pulls, see what you make, you know. It's a fun day.
I hear something back there on the dyno. Sounds
yeah,
pretty,
there's something up there.
Pretty beast.
Daddy,
Hey,
look.
Bells, what? I see. Hey,
That.
hey, what color is this car?
Purple?
Oh, that's right. It's purple, isn't it?
Look.
It sure is. Well, that's just a regular old car. Well, look at this one. This one's cool. Daddy needs a Dodge like that. What do you think? Wouldn't that be better than the truck that we have? Huh?
We used to have a...
Are you listening?
Yeah,
Okay, let's take a look at it. Let's walk around it. Want to take a look at it? Well, yeah, we'll take a look at it. Uh-huh. Okay. Let's see. Well, got plenty of fruit juice in it. It's definitely a beauty, huh? Oh, there you are. We're going to check out a few of the cars in the show. It looks like they stretch all the way up there, so we'll take a quick walk through and see what else here.
Like a diamond from gold. Maybe you are something I cannot define. Maybe you are the fallen kind. I lay in bed with violence, the silent side of me. We see where fire starts to breathe. When I would lay in silence, the voice inside of me made me use my...
Little Cuz here. We're getting ready to throw one here on the dyno. So I'm here to show y'all what we got going on. So this is what's about to go up next. Let me get a look from behind here. So here's what we got going on here.
Airport Warrior drivers are here.
This will be an interesting one here. So we'll walk around this thing a little bit more. This will definitely be very interesting. Who needs a door?
The last one that was on there had a compound.
This is Cassie and Little Cuz. You guys are no stranger to Little Cuz. You've seen a couple videos that he's helped me do. So he is also going to help me video this truck because it is a little loud for little missus here. So that's okay. So we're going to stand over there somewhere and Little Cuz is going to see what this thing makes on a dyno. Anybody want to drop comments, see what it makes on the dyno? I'm going to say at least 2. At least 2. That's like a low number. I think a low number is 2. That's what I think. I think it's 2 without that. I don't know. I think it would be 2.
We'll find out when she starts up.
I guarantee it.
It's hurt if she does.
So, all right. Let's see what it does.
So I'll give you the view that I'm going to get of this truck. I'm not standing in front of this thing, just in case something goes wrong. But here's going to be the view. We will, they're getting all strapped in. And I will be back here, maybe even back a little bit further, and I will do my best to come forward and get the numbers after they happen.
Unfortunately, due to a deer, hey, this way, got a little bit of damage on the skyline here. But, whoa, Bells, isn't that a nice car? Isn't that a nice car? Yeah, we like it. Come on. Well, look at this roof rack. Bells, look at the tailpipe. It's got a flap on it. Isn't that cool? A wooden roof rack. Got a couple more diesels sitting here. Whoa, come here, look at this hood. Look here. Look at that. Now I will say that's actually pretty cool. Hey, look at that. Look at the hood on this thing.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
Yeah, it is. Oh, wow. So I've always been a fan of mini trucking. I've always been a fan of mini trucks. And I tell you what, this one looks like he's done a lot of work to it for sure. It's got it lowered down pretty good. He's on bags. Look at the angle of the drive shaft. That's pretty awesome. It looks good. You don't see a lot. Oh, look at that shifter. That's awesome. And the crazy thing is, this thing looks almost like my granddad's S10 that he had for a while. It's a nice mini truck. Don't know who you are, but I'm a fan. Is this the one you picked? Is that it? That's the one you want? Okay, so we picked this one. Okay, this is all right. Does that one look good? You like that car? Let's go take a look at it. You want to take a look at it? Yeah, pretty, huh? Yeah, let's see what this car is. I guess I'm not even sure. Well, it's a Chevrolet. This is a 1937 Chevy Coupe. All right, 1937 Chevy Coupe. So Justin, how you been?
Good, how are you doing?
All right. Talk to us about the Mazda. What we got going on in here?
Well, this is actually my wife's car, but I've done most of the work to it. So it has this, top mount intercooler.
Mm-hmm.
And we did some things like the blow off valve, wastegate, upgraded. And it has the Cobb tuner also. And then Cork Sport, the dual exhaust system on it.
Oh, it says true duals all the way?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice.
So, I mean,
it sounded good when you pulled in.
It's a lot of bolt-on stuff. It's nothing really internally done at all. But
this could be a perfect daily with a good bit of power.
Oh yeah.
And fun.
Yeah, it runs along really well. I mean, on the highway, whatever. And being this is 6-speed manual, that really helps out.
Oh yeah. What, Bells? Oh, you see the bug? Is that a bug or is that mud? I think that's a little bug. Let's get him off of there. You. She does not like bugs at all. What do you think, Bells? Come here, check this out. Hey, what color is that? You know that color. What color?
Purple.
No, not purple. You know your shirt's the same color. Green? No, you're being silly. It's pink. Pink. You knew that? Okay. We're still working on the colors. She's getting the ABCs and the counting down, but the colors is a little cattywampus. What? You want to show me? So as Belle is inspecting here, looks like we have pink calipers on the rear too, huh? Do you like that? All right, I see. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, we'll have to put pink calipers on your car, huh? Yeah? All right.
It has some upgraded lighting and LEDs and things like that, but pretty much everything's just hold on and light modification.
Now is this a factory white? It looks like it's a metallic. Has it got some metallic in it?
It's a factory pearl white, but from the factory they're actually black up here on the front.
Mm-hmm.
And then all your window trims are also black, and some other little pieces
okay.
around here are black also. So those have all been, you know, painted white too.
Oh, nice. That does look good. Looks like the window tint is real clean too.
Oh yeah,
especially the strip
buddies down there at Blackout. They do one heck of a job. Derek just had his car done down there too. And
well, you definitely can't go wrong with really dark windows on a white car.
Yeah.
Like, man, does it's, and the crazy thing is, well, like a black vehicle, you don't even have to go that dark of window tint.
Yeah.
And it just your windows are going to be dark anyways. But it definitely, I do like it. Is there some tint on the taillights too?
Yeah,
a little bit of tint.
Lightly tinted, like light smoke. And it's just like a spray on type, you know.
Oh, okay. Well, it looks good. It looks even. It looks pretty even. What, Bales? What am I looking at? You want me to sit on somebody's chair? No. Please? You're probably getting tired. Now, thank you for giving me a walk around of the car.
No problem.
And as I said, best of show. Congratulations on that. Oh, congratulations. It's your car.
Thanks. He keeps it quite clean though.
Yeah. See, he puts the work in, you get the benefits.
Right. I get the recognition.
Yeah. So we'll see you around. We'll probably see you in another show. It was nice meeting you.
What we got pulling in now. Sounds pretty good. Looks pretty damn good too.
We're sitting here watching a few of the dyno pools, and we're just kind of, you know, just relaxing here and chilling. And
We lost one.
All right.
I'd say there's a team member down. Team member down. she done conked out on me. You got loud diesel trucks in there on the dyno, and she done conked out. Isn't that just cute? Isn't that just cute? I think that's going to wrap up this video. The little one's getting tired, and she actually, as you've seen, fell asleep on me sitting over there behind the dyno. Turnkey Automotive Repair and Performance for putting on a pretty awesome show here in Dyno Day. Sure was a lot of trucks that came out for that, and a lot of nice cars, and seen a good bit of horsepower today. So that being said, we're gonna head down the road, and we'll see you guys in the next event.